This is not a test, I repeat, not a test. This message was brought to you by the United States of America government. 82 people have gone missing in the last 12 minutes. These people going missing have not been found yet. If you happen to be in contact with somebody that is missing in your area, contact the local authorities immediately. Thank you for listening. For more info, go to your police station's website. This message will repeat one more time before broadcasting continues. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move under any circumstances. The factor of missing people appears to be an entity that will kill if you move between 8 p.m. and 3 o'clock a.m. It does not matter if you are far away. Repeat, it does not matter if you are far away from the entity, as this thing can travel at the speed of light, possibly even faster. It is recommended that you sleep strapped into your bed, so it is impossible to move. This will ensure you are safe. If you do not have any rope or straps, local authorities will come to your door to deliver them. Do not stress. Military of the members of NATO are going to fight this beast off with us. God bless America, and shall we fight through these rough times.